How to add video to Shopify store without YouTube. Hi, welcome to another new video. And in this video, we are going to show you how you can add a video on your Shopify store without using YouTube platform. So first of all, you need to go on online store option in the I button. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will be move you to the next page. Here you can see our home page. This is our store and this is the home page we are landed now. And here you need to click on customize theme. So you will find out this option in the left corner on the bottom side. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you have option for edit your home page. So this is really easy. So now you need to add a section here. Once you click on the section, they will give you some elements to add in this section. So I will scroll down and find out the video option. Just click over here. Once you find out the video option, once you add the video, you have the section for video. Now you can see that we have the video here, so you can play it, you can pause it, anything you can do it. So here if you want to edit it, just go in the right side and find out the URL option where the URL has been pasted. So here we can see that our YouTube URL pasted in here, so we need to clean it. Just clean it, and now you can paste your link. So you can choose any platform you want, like Vimeo, TikTok, and other kind of platform where video has been supported for that platform. And then you can copy the link and you can paste the link in this URL box, and you can add this video wherever you want. So you have the independence to paste your video URL wherever you want. Therefore, I can say this is the really simplest way to add your video in your Shopify store. I hope so. After watching this video, you will find out the solution how you can use your video without YouTube. I hope this video will help you. If you found out this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.